Our flour is ready. And now, yeast mixture right into it. And now, we're throwing in the vanilla. Now we're pouring in the oil, like we've completely lost our patience. Next, we're dumping the date syrup in, like it owes us an apology. Finally, we're throwing in the milk, like it's the grand finale. Think we're just gently stirring with a spatula? Absolutely not. We're throwing caution to the wind, diving in with our hands, grabbing every bit of dough, and smashing it all together until it transforms into a furious, perfect dough. Now it's time to really beat the dough like it's been challenging us all day. Now we grab the dough and fling it onto our table. We're giving it a full-on, wild workout. Punching, slapping, and smacking it like it owes us money. And just when you think it's had enough, we beat it down on the table one last time for good measure. Now we grab our furious dough and forcefully roll it into a round shape. Next, we pour some oil on top and fling the dough into the baking dish like it owes us respect. After letting our dough rest for an hour and calming down our own anger a bit, we take it out of the dish and dive back in, ready to knead it all over again. Time to wake up that fury one more time and show this dough who's boss. Now we take our furious dough and smash it into 4 pieces, like it's being punished for daring to rise so boldly. Next, we roll each piece into a round ball and give its surface a few playful smacks, just to remind it who's in charge. We do the same thing for all 4 pieces, rolling them into balls and smacking their surfaces like tiny dough warriors under our command. Now we grab our special rolling pin and flatten each furious dough ball with all the strength we've got, like we're teaching them some respect. Once they're perfectly flattened, we slam them onto the baking tray, ready for the oven to handle their fiery energy. Once all 4 pieces are flattened and sitting on the tray, we grab the egg and furiously brush it over each dough, spreading them like we're coating them in a shiny, angry armor. Finally, we sprinkle sesame seeds on top, like we're giving our angry little dough warriors their battle helmets. Every seed lands with purpose, completing their fierce, delicious armor. Now we bake them in the oven at 170 degrees for 20 minutes, and our delicious bread is ready.